What's up, showbiz fans? I'm back for another vlog and Lucas with me right now.
Hello guys! I'm Heart.
Hi guys, I'm Zeke.
Yes, Heart and Zeke. First and first, congratulations on your new series. You really deserve it. But how does it feel working with each other naman?
Um, sorry.
Ikaw na? Or ako?
Ang daming pinagdaanan, no?
Working lang yan, How are you lang muna? How is it working muna?
Just a short answer.
Yeah.
It's been fun.
Yeah.
It's been fun.
Wala namang problems.
Wala namang problem. Of course, wala naman yan. Pero may mga na-discover ba kayo sa isa't isa? Siyempre naman,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure ang daming araw na kayo nag-shooting together. Ano mga na-discover nyo? Baka pwedeng i-share.
Meron na po siyang bagong ginagamit ngayon. Maliit na mini fan. Can you show?
Oh.
No, not that one.
I just exposed myself.
Maliit na mini fan. Yeah. And then, lagi niya po yan dala-dala. Tapos, yung mirror niya.
Bam! Boom! Yeah.
Ito yung na-discover.
Bagong mirror
Yeah.
na yan, ha?
Oo,
Kasi nawawalan ako ng stuff sa set. I think it's the ghosts. We're getting haunted.
No, I just think he just puts everything
Yeah,
like
feeling-
kahit saan.
kahit saan.
Yeah, it's not the ghost.
Not the
But
ghost.
at least I have new stuff.
Ghost of himself.
Kasi andito tayo yun sa set, di ba? Parang nakakatakot.
Yeah.
Totoo
Feeling mo lagi
po.
na.